adding integers on a number line, and this is a digital lesson. So it starts with some example slides that you can go through with the students, and it shows that negative numbers are going to move to the left on the number line, positive numbers move to the right, and here's an example where you're adding two positive numbers on the number line. So you always start at 0, you're going to move to the right 4, and then to the right 3 more, because positive numbers move to the right, and so they'll end up at positive 7. So these are just example slides. And then you're adding two negative numbers. Again, you start at 0, go to the left 2, and then to the left again 3 more to give an answer of negative 5. Now here's an example on slide 5 of adding a negative and a positive. So again, you start at 0. First number is negative 5, so you're going to move to the left 5, and then from that point, you're going to move to the right 9, and that will give you an answer of 4. Okay, so when you get to the next slide, now this is where you want students to practice. So make sure they get lots of practice or they're going to get frustrated. Make sure they know how to move these arrows. So all they do is click on an arrow, and then they can click and hold. They can move that arrow anywhere they like on the number line. Again, negative is always going to go to the left, so that'll make it easier for them. And then if you want to make the line longer, they click on this little blue square at the end, click and hold, and then they can move it as long as they want. Or if they want to make it shorter, they can make it shorter like that. Okay, so make sure the students get lots of practice and they know how to do this. All right, then they're going to start on their own. So the next slide is 6 plus negative 2. And then they're going to get the sum here and type it in the box. So the first number is positive, so we're going to start with that yellow arrow. Make sure it starts at 0, and it's going to go to the right to 6. It looks like it's pretty close. Then from 6, we're going to add negative 2. So you click and hold on that red arrow. Make sure it starts at 6, and we're going to go to the left 2. When they do that, it's going to end up right at 4. So to the left, to the right 6, to the left 2, and that gives them an answer of 4. Okay, so this is what they're going to be doing on all of these slides. So here, negative 3 plus 8, they're going to start with a negative, and make sure this arrow starts at 0, goes to the left to 3. So again, you're going to click and hold on this blue box. You want to make it shorter, so it goes to negative 3. And then from negative 3, so click and hold on that yellow arrow. Make sure you're starting here at negative 3, and you're going to go to the right 8. And that will give them an answer of 5. Okay, so you can go through several of these with the students. You can have it on the big screen while they're working on their own computers, so they can do it with you. And then once they get the hang of it, then you can have them work the rest of them on their own. So they get to the end. Nice work on adding integers on a number line. So this is the digital version of adding integers on a number line.